In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Chatgpt error in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and get you back to a smooth, seamless experience. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is check your internet connection. It may sound simple, but a stable and fast internet connection is crucial for running online applications like Chatgpt smoothly. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or a wired network and that there aren't any connectivity issues. Sometimes, just disconnecting and reconnecting to your network can solve the problem. You might want to try running a quick speed test just to see if everything is up to par. If everything is good with your internet, the next step is to refresh the page. This is often an overlooked step, but simply refreshing the page can solve a lot of minor issues. If there's a temporary glitch or a loading problem, refreshing will reload the application and can often make things right again. Sometimes the issue might be with the browser itself, so if refreshing doesn't help, try using another browser or even a different device. Different browsers can handle web applications in various ways, and issues might arise with a particular one that doesn't occur with others. For instance, if you're using Chrome, try switching to Firefox or Edge. If the problem persists even after switching browsers, it might help to try out Chatgpt on another device entirely, just to see if the issue is device-specific. Next, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can often resolve persistent issues. Over time, stored cache and cookies might interfere with the proper functioning of web applications. By clearing them, you're essentially giving the browser a fresh start. You can usually find this option in the settings menu of your browser under privacy or history settings. Don't worry, clearing these won't affect your stored passwords or bookmarks. Another troubleshooting step can be to disable your browser extensions temporarily. Extensions are great for enhancing browsing capabilities, but they can sometimes interfere with web applications. Try disabling them one by one to see if there's a specific extension causing the problem. Once you identify it, you can either keep it disabled or look for any updates or settings changes. Lastly, if none of these steps have helped, logging out and then logging back into your account can often resolve issues. This action resets the session and can clear any temporary account anomalies or bugs impacting your interaction with Chatgpt. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most errors encountered while using Chatgpt. Hopefully, you're now back on track. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.